In this lecture, we will install Blender on your PC. Blender is a powerful, free, and open-source 3D creation suite. It supports the entirety of the 3D pipeline, including modeling, rigging, animation, simulation, rendering, compositing, and motion tracking, as well as video editing and game creation. Advanced users utilize Blender's API for Python scripting to customize the application and write specialized tools, which are often included in Blender's future releases. Blender is well suited for individuals and small studios who benefit from its unified pipeline and responsive development process. Unreal Engine is a versatile tool, but it lacks some of the capabilities of standard 3D modeling software like Blender. While you can make some minor adjustments to 3D models in Unreal Engine, it doesn't provide developers with the ability to create complex 3D art. For these purposes, I usually use Blender since it's free, functional, and has some very powerful plugins, including one that can pipeline your 3D creations from Blender to Unreal Engine. The creation of 3D assets may or may not be the responsibility of a game developer. If you're working solo, you are responsible for either creating 3D assets for your game or hiring an artist or purchasing models already created by others. In larger game development companies, 3D modelers and game developers are usually different people. By the way, in the resources of this lecture, I will provide you with links to some good places where you can purchase decent 3D models for a low price, or you might even get some for free. Please also note that Unreal Engine has Quixel Bridge and Unreal Marketplace, which offer you tons of 3D models for free. We will learn how to import assets from Quixel Bridge and Unreal Marketplace in the relevant lectures. Throughout this course, I will teach you some handy features of Blender and how to edit existing 3D models to fit your project, but I can't integrate a full course on Blender within this Unreal Engine course, as it's far beyond the scope of this course. Nevertheless, if you're interested in 3D modeling, I can point you to some decent tutors and materials that will quickly upgrade your skills, as well as Blender Studio, a place where you can access official courses and workshops. Now, let's install the software. The link is available in the resources of this lecture, or you might want to Google Blender. It is installed like any other software. You'll be fine with all the default settings. We will start using Blender when we require it for the purposes of this course. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lecture.